This is a tutorial about media placeholders. Open it with After Effects and you will see 4 different folders. Transitions and footages just to get it closer to the trailers that you will create. And in the full media builder you need to open 9020 by 1080 30 fps setup. Here you will find VHS control layer with the timecode option and the VHS damage and post effects in one layer. So you can create 80s trailer. Just drop your media placeholders under this layer, so make it work because you have a few layers hidden there. So you just need to drop your audio placeholders and drop your logo in the title one and use the sticker setup that I created, so you can add a little bit ident to your project file. It will be appearing and disappearing in the corner of the screen. And yeah, then you will go to media placeholders where you will set up your footages. I recommend you to create the folder some kind of clip art, so you can store your footages in the same categories. And here you'll have first category no BG. This is the two types of placeholders, with the frame and without the frame, just clean one for the store your video. And then you will start drop these footages down and stack it between. And moreover, you will have 6 more interesting categories with the media placeholders and frame. Each one of them have a small controller for the 3 colors of the stroke and the hue of the background. You can animate it and you can change it out. And I set up 3 copies of each of them. So if you want to use media placeholder gradient 1, I will drop it here. You need to switch your video in the placeholder gradient 1. And if you will need more of the same category, you just choose 2 placeholder and media, duplicate it, then go to media 4, and here you see placeholder gradient 3. You just choose this layer, hold Alt, and drop down the media placeholder 4 to switch it off. And you will have another placeholder which you can animate and change color in addition. There is a 6 more categories, and the fun part, transitions. Between 2 layers you can drop them down. For example, you can start with the blue screen play, then you can add glitch. You just zoom out, zoom in, and drop it on the 2 layers that you want transition between in the middle of the connection. Then I will play it and you will see straight away. These transitions have alpha, so you see it starts to damaging and then switch to another footage. Also you have a VHS noise with blinking blue animation. Then you will have 2 blue screens to make it feel like you fast forward the footage to another scene. And if you want, you can drop down the bonus footages that I provide you as add-ons. For example, you have a TV noise. If you feel like you lack the damage that I provide you with, you just drop it on top of the control layer and use in the modes, push the F4 button, and then you can drop it down with some additional blending mode on top of the all composition and get crazier results. So yeah, see you in the next tutorial.